Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ASRT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis several times this past week, and that is where the green line here is coming from. And just kind of a quick recap, $1.40 is very, very important from the chart. And I'm not saying this will happen, but if the price were to just continue to separate to the downside of $1.40, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would then be putting the price right back to where it was when it was flirting with these lows. And not to insult anyone's intelligence, but when price movements go back to where they were, that's not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But as of right now, yes, that level was violated, but to give credit where credit's due, the price is at least hanging around the range of this area. And the one thing to remember with support and resistance levels is they're not exact specific prices. There is a range element associated with it. So I would definitely say that as of right now, yeah, the $1.40 mark was violated, but still the price is, being able to maintain right around that area. And in fact, that's, right there, you can see the price closed at $1.40. So the price is holding above that area, but definitely the key thing to watch going forward is what you don't want to see is for, like I said, the price to continue to drift to the downside. Because like I said, at that point, that's literally putting the price right back to where it was, which is not what you want to see, assuming you are bullish on this one. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, it's all about this very stubborn level up there, the purple line, which on my chart denotes the 50-period moving average. You can see a whole bunch of times right there, just flat out rejected the price. Right there was a faulty breakout, so got above it, but could never really maintain above it, fell back below it, and then you can see right there, went right back to rejecting it and rejecting it right there. So I'm not saying that purple line can't be broken. I'm just saying, according to the story of the chart that it's telling us, apparently the price is really going to have to bring its A game if it's going to be able to not only break above that area, but most importantly, stay up above it. So that's definitely going to be, the key level of resistance going forward. And then again, the key level of support being $1.40 for all the reasons we, just discussed. So overall, though, interesting movement going forward, and we'll keep an eye on those two key levels and see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.